This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained and tear stained. Was a pain that made me colder now. After the oceans I cried, I made of steel, just floating now. When I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let them go now. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights I tell myself to go on. Just say somebody loved me once, and someday somebody will again. Like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. Oh no, we never made it. Stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I love you. It was right there. Early June, next door, Park Avenue. Nightingale Lane. Standing in the rain, I watched him walk away. Never took me long old years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But at the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was. And I sigh when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let them go now. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights I tell myself, in fact I tell myself to go on. Just see it. Somebody loved me once, and someday somebody will again. Like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. And though we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I love you. It was right there in June, next to Old Park Avenue. Sitting in the rain, I watched them walk away. I've dabbled in love since, maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded, though I've let him go now. Right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me.